Hi, welcome, and I hope you're doing well. In this video here, I'll be doing a benchmark test on a brand new HP desktop. The model is M01-F1114. And in this description here, you can see that the processor is AMD Ryzen 3. It runs on 3.8 gigahertz. This thing has 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and it runs on 256 M.2 SSD drive. So this has the Windows 10, and this computer here is brand new, just right off the box. I made a separate video regarding about the teardown and disassemble, and I'll link it in the description below. You can click on the link. It will direct you to one of my videos that I explain on how to upgrade the RAM, how to upgrade the M.2 drive, and maybe add additional secondary hard drive. It can be a SSD drive, the 2.5 inch or the 3.5 regular HDD. So I made that all separately on a different video. Go check it out if you like it. But for this video here, I specifically wanted to do the benchmark test. The reason of the test is I want to show you what is the score, how well the computer is going to perform before you decided to buy this computer or not. Alright, so just a quick reference here. This is running on Windows 10 64-bit, 8 gigabytes RAM, 256 gigabyte M.2 SSD drive. This processor here is AMD Ryzen. It doesn't have the graphics card, so this computer does not have external graphics card, meaning that the graphic is running off of the CPU. Okay, again, the processor is giving off the graphics, and this is what it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and click run. So I'll let the computer to do the benchmark test. Well, I'm going to talk a little bit about this computer here. I think the range on this computer, I didn't buy the computer. One of the customer bought it, and it got dropped off just to do the data migration. But since of that, I like to do it's brand new off the box, right? Because of that, I like to do a benchmark test. I believe probably the cost of this is maybe about $500 range. I would think so, or less. In this computer here, is actually not good for gaming. If you're planning to game on this computer here, please don't waste your time and money to buy this computer, because it doesn't have a graphics card. Now, in this benchmark test, you're gonna see how bad the graphics is gonna be. I'm pretty sure that as you can see, that the graphics is very not smooth. It goes by pixel and pixel. It's kind of very laggy, and you can see that the display is not smooth, right? It's very jaggy feeling. So if you're gonna use this for regular, like to do your email, Word documents, spreadsheet, then I feel like this computer is not a bad investment. It can get the job done, meaning that you can go on YouTube, social media, right? Check your email, things like that. That is not a problem. But if you're gonna use it for gaming, highly not recommend. And if you're gonna use it for designing, meaning that you're gonna go onto Photoshop or Lightroom or maybe a Premiere to design or create a video, this is not a right computer for you. Now, can this computer be upgraded? The answer is yes. So it has 8 gigs of RAM. You can upgrade it to 16 gigs, and the hard drive is 256 M.2 drive. So if you're running out of space and you want to increase the hard drive to maybe like 512 or 1 terabyte, yes, you can do that. Now, if you want to add a secondary drive, meaning like you have a C drive and then the second drive like a D drive, yes, this computer comes with the additional cables and power. allows you to add 3.5 inch or the 2.5 inch hard drive. Itself already have the tray, meaning that you can use the tray that comes with the computer, but it doesn't come with the screw. So you do need to find some screw to screw in those hard drives. Now this computer here does come with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you do not have hardwired cable in your house and you want to use a Wi-Fi, yes, this computer has a built-in Wi-Fi. You can actually use that. It has the range of A, B, G, N, and AC. So that means pretty much it's compatible to any router out in the market at the moment. Running 5 gigahertz should not be a problem in this computer. Besides that, the computer does not have a CD-ROM. It does have the tray in the front, but it does not come with the CD-ROM. So if you're gonna use, if you want to use like to play a DVD or play your CD songs, you may have to end up buying a USB, what do you call it, a USB CD-ROM, and I'll show it to you. You can buy something like this, right? So this is the optical drive, and this is the USB. So you can plug it in and then use this instead of the computer that does not come with a built-in. Okay, besides the CD-ROM, what else I can talk about? We talk about there's no graphics card. Yes, so if you want to add a graphics card, let's just say that, you know, it was a gift. This computer was purchased and it was given to you, and you feel like, hey, it's very slow, I like to, you know, upgrade to a graphics card. The answer is yes, you can upgrade and have a graphics card, but the graphics card has to be the low profile graphics card, not the you know, strong beefy graphics card to add on. The reason because this computer here, the power supply does not have enough voltage and power to power up the graphics card. So technically you need to buy a graphics card that is low profile, and I'll show it to you. So you need to have this type of graphics card. Okay, so technically this graphics card here does not require any 6-pin connector or any 8-pin connector for the power. Okay, it's just a strictly graphics card, and this graphics card will draw the power from the motherboard. So these are the graphics card you can add into the computer, but not those graphics card that requires 6-pin or 8-pin power to get it running. If you add the graphics card in a computer, would it help? The answer is yes. The reason why, because at the moment the graphics here is using the CPU power, right? So the CPU is processing itself. At the same time, you try to output the display for the graphics. So if you install a graphics card here, that would offload some of the power, the CPU power, to this graphics card, and this graphics card, dedicated graphics card, would perform the display. So that way it would actually speed up the computer, that's for sure. Also, if you want to add more RAM to that, the computer definitely would perform a little bit better. I guess those are the things that you can upgrade, like the RAM and the graphics card. If you need more capacity, you can upgrade the M.2 solid state drive. But other than that, I think the computer is very, very basic and standard. Using for gaming is not advisable. Other than that, you know, it's okay for this regular usage. That's pretty much it. So right here is the score. As you can see, the score is only 835. It's pretty low. The graphics card is 748, and the CPU score is 2474. Okay, so these are the result, and I'm not sure if you're happy with the result. Me myself, not really, to be honest with you. But given the price for about $500, and you're gonna use it for simple stuff, then I feel like it is actually worth it to invest in this computer, to buy this computer. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped, and I hope my explanation give you some sort of guidance before you buy the computer. I do not want you to buy it and if things doesn't work out and you get stuck with this computer. So thanks for watching this video. I hope my explanation helps you to decide before you're buying anything. So that being said, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you for watching the video. Thank you and take care. Bye.